Yeah, burn my wood. Let's go burn.
Can't turn. Over down the side, the box up. It is the Manchester Beach vibes. Early morning roasting fish. This is the original roast fish. The one in the file is not the roast fish, that is the original steam fish. And the one in the pot, that's the boiled fish.
This is a roast fish. Yeah? This roast fish. Easier. When you get strong, first pick me, I go get a dish give me.
Oh, knife is turning. Put on the fish. Go for one of your fish. One for your fish. One for your one. One go for your one. Fresh fish just roll upon his ring. See that? Wow. See that? This is the Mancini style of roasting fish. This is the original roast fish. The one in the file paper, that is the steam fish. And the one in the pot, that's called a boiled fish. That is not a steam fish. That is a cooked fish. The steam fish is the original file because it's just the season and the steam that cook it. This one is just the roast fish. I'm same on the next video where with the turbot them, a cuss over the turbot them, I'm same one.
Yeah, man. Fish.